So it's been 10-20 minutes. I didn't think of this, but I just thought of this. So there's a car accident literally right behind my place. Literally, you got FHP, this car right here is one of the cause, and then you got your Crown Vic Police Interceptor over there that was in a car accident. The whole entire front's messed up. This intersection is always a problem. Got FHP, Pasco. Ooh, sexy car. And then you got Undercover and more other cars down there. So yeah, there's been an accident because of that car and that car. That car is sitting right there, that black car, and the Crown Vic that is up there with its light still on. Yep. So that's I heard it too. This intersection is the worst for car accidents. Then there's a trooper, the UPS trooper. Lol. Oh, he's on the run. Okay.